Communicate to the Taskmaster the item on your card. You may only make noises. You may not use any actions or anything that sounds like a word.
I'd love a compilation CD of all of those sounds.
Donkey. Okay, here comes Katherine. Oh, it's in the water. A piglet. A hedgehog. A chicken.
Easy.
The... Oh, no! Train. Oh. It's a boat. A harp.
It is a harp with 17 seconds, Daisy is the winner!
So, what have we learnt today? If you're compiling your all-time bucket list, please don't forget to complete the magical Swimming with Dolphins. Moo! Moo!